Lighting can act as art and jewelry for a home. Hi, I'm interior designer Jennifer Farrell. Let's explore 3 ways I use lighting as art at the Calibu Home and Vineyard, a spectacular, modern, coastal Montauk-inspired property. 1. Overscaled Designs. The hot trend now in lighting design is overscaled chandeliers and fixtures. This large pendant in the foyer offers a wonderful visual profile and makes a dramatic artistic statement in the space. In the bedroom, lighting is at the forefront with these artful, oversized pendants. They really capture the modern coastal look and create a linear light pattern on the ceiling and walls. 2. Organic forms. Organic-looking, free-form designs provide a sculptural element for a room. This modern LED chandelier design in the tasting room acts like artwork. In the dining room, we have this natural tree branch form that spreads out over the table. 3. Crystal sparkle. In the living room, this crystal chandelier brings luxurious sparkle. It has hundreds of hand-blown glass hanging teardrops. The design reminds me of nature and acts as a source of art and inspiration. On a smaller scale, but no less luxurious, are the pendants in the walk-in closet. They have a luxe look, mixed metals finish, and are staggered in height for visual impact. Find your artistic lighting inspiration at lampsplus.com.